Hello. I am back with a wash day video for Mr. Junior here. So what you see right now is just me rinsing his hair, getting it saturated. Lately we've been using the Mielle sea moss collection and I really like it. Myself, him, and baby girl, we all have the same hair texture. I particularly use it for the anti-shedding properties, but for them I use it because it's extremely moisturizing. I actually do really like the smell, and I was really excited to get my hands on it, especially for that gel hair mask they have. And I love the gel hair mask, like really love it. So what I do with his hair is I lather it up, wash it twice, rinse it really good, and then I will add the conditioner to it. So after washing it and rinsing it twice and really well, I now add the conditioner. So what I do is I add the conditioner that comes with the line, but I also add the mask to it. And this helps me actually just stretch the mask out, but it gives his hair a lot of slip, moisturizes his hair very well, and it makes the detangling process really easy for me. So there are times where I honestly don't detangle it before I wash it, and this gel helps me get through it very well. So that's what you see me doing now. I love my Kazmaleje paddle comb. I actually ordered mine through their website, but you can find these at Target. They have paddle combs, they have detangling combs. I really truly love their line. One of the things I really love about that particular paddle comb is that the end has like a little parting, like the way that it's designed, you can part with the like with the handle, as opposed to having to use different tools. So here I am rinsing it out. Also in the rinsing and conditioning process, you'll see me massaging his scalp. I do that during the wash process as well, but it also helps while there's a lot of slip because I can get directly to his scalp. So here we are getting ready to detangle him out and moisturize. I am using the sea moss leave-in conditioner, and I also use this in conjunction with the pomegranate and honey leave-in conditioner. That is a staple around here. I use that just to detangle with. And then I also hit his scalp with a little bit of my Slay Gro Oil. So that's what we're doing now. So I'm going to separate it. Usually I separate into like 2 big sections, and then I'll work on each of those sections. Now what I do, because unless he goes to work with me, I do not blow dry it, and I try to keep heat off of it as much as possible, of course. So what I'll do is I will just separate it out and detangle it, and as I detangle it, I will just twist his hair up, and I'll leave it like that. And usually we just kind of pull it up in like one ponytail, like pull all the twists up in one ponytail and let him air dry. And I usually will just style it like that the next morning. So this was Sunday evening, so I made sure to style it. What was that? Not Sunday, I apologize. No, I lied. This was Thursday night. So I detangled it Thursday evening. You see me pushing him because his hair is really long now and he likes to lean back on me. But yeah, so I detangled this Thursday evening and just pulled it up in a ponytail, let him go to sleep like that, and it air dried for Friday. And then Friday morning, I just put it in like 4 ponytails. My goal at first, or my intention, was to give him 2 braids, but his hair has become so thick now that like quick styles aren't really a thing for him anymore. So you'll see towards the end, at the very end of the video, when I put like pictures and things like that, that he just ended up getting 4 really chunky ponytails, and that's what he wore until I rebraided his hair Saturday.